Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the duck quacked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, a fiddle-dee-dee. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear slept by the clock. The clock struck four, he ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the frog hopped round the clock. The clock struck five, she went on a dive. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six, so fiddlesticks. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the cat ran round the clock. The clock struck seven, she wanted to get him. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the horse jumped over the clock. The clock struck eight, he ate some cake. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the cow danced on the clock. The clock struck nine, she felt so fine. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the pig joined at the clock. The clock struck 10, she did it again. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the hare looked at the clock. The clock struck 11, the hare said, oh heavens. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck noon, he's here too soon. Hickory dickory dock.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again. We're in our sing-along studio again.
Yay, sing-along time.
To sing with you kids.
Yay.
Are you excited?
I am. Oh.
Yeah. Oh. What are you trying to do sound already?
I was going to ask you a question.
Oh.
Do you?
I don't know that song. Oh.
Oh, it's a good song. It goes, oh, yeah. Oh. But that's not the one we're doing.
You're silly.
Yeah, you're silly too. I was going to ask you, do you know what time it is?
It's Hickory Dickory Dock time!
Yay! Hickory Dickory Dock!
Is that what you were asking?
Yeah, because there's a clock in it, so
Yep.
time.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So, well, why don't you tell the kids which song we're doing?
Ooh, okay. Okay, so kids, today we're going to sing Hickory Dickory Dock.
That's the song we're going to teach you.
Yeah, and you might know it, or you might know part of it, because I only knew part of it before we started practicing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, why don't we go through all of the animals we're going to do, because we're doing a countdown from the clock.
Yeah,
Well,
we're
actually,
doing-
count up.
Count up, and so many animals.
Yep.
Okay,
And we're doing it from 1 to noon.
yeah, and noon means 12.
Yep.
Yep.
And that means we have 12 animals that are going to run up the clock today.
Oh, and do you know another word for noon or 12? Although I guess you don't use it for time, but you could use it for 12.
No, I don't.
Maybe if you had eggs, you would have a...
Oh, a dozen.
Yep, a dozen.
Yeah, I got that one.
That's funny.
Yep.
Okay, what's your first animal?
I'm going to do a mouse.
Ooh. Yeah, the mouse is number 1.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I am then going to do a duck.
Okay.
Number 2.
Are
Okay.
we going through all of them? No. Let's go through the song and then with the animals.
Okay.
I'm going to start with the mouse, and you're going to start with which one?
The duck.
Okay.
Okay.
So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Kids, are you ready?
Yay!
Okay,
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.
Yay! And Hickory Dickory Dock. The dog quacked at the clock. The clock struck 2, away she flew. Hickory Dickory Dock. Yeah.
Yay!
Yay.
And the next one is the dog.
Ooh.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3, fiddle-dee-dee, hickory dickory dock.
Ooh. And then the next one is the bear.
Okay.
Roar. Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Hickory dickory dock, the bear slept by the clock. The clock struck 4, he ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock.
Yeah.
That's
fun.
good. Mine is the frog.
Ooh, ribbit.
We did a little bit of a change in his lyrics, but I really wanted a frog. That's why.
Yeah, we like the frog.
Yeah, and we like to be creative.
Yeah. Both
So-
of those things.
Yep.
Okay.
1, 2,
2, 3.
3. Hickory dickory dock, the frog hopped round the clock. The clock struck 5, she went on her dive. Hickory dickory dock.
Yay!
Do you like that?
Yeah, I like that a lot. That was a good rewrite.
Yep.
Okay, and now,
Your turn.
hen.
A hen.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6, oh fiddly sticks. Hickory dickory dock. Woo! Good job.
Okay, next one is a cat.
Ooh.
Because the tiger is a cat, so this is our cat,
yeah.
right?
It's a big cat.
Big cat. So, hickory dickory dock, the cat ran round the clock. The clock struck 7, she went to get him. Hickory dickory dock.
Ooh, that was a good one. Okay, and then, nay, this is a horse.
Ah, yeah, nice.
Yeah. All right, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Hickory dickory dock, the horse jumped over the clock. The clock struck 8, he ate some cake. Hickory dickory dock.
The horse ate cake.
Right? That's really funny.
That is funny. So the next one is the cow.
Ooh, the cow! Yay!
Okay.
Okay. Hickory dickory dock, the cow danced on the clock. The clock struck 9, she felt so fine. Hickory dickory dock. I think a cow dancing on a clock might break the clock.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. And then mine is the pig. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay. Hickory dickory dock, the pig doink at the clock. The clock struck 10, she did it again. Hickory dickory dock.
Nice.
Nice.
So the next one is a hare. Or
Ooh.
how else can we call it?
A rabbit.
Or a bunny.
Or a bunny.
Yep.
Or a hop hop.
Or a hop hop.
Okay, but we're going to use the word hare.
Hare.
Okay.
Okay. Hickory dickory dock.
The hare looked at the clock. The clock struck 11. The hare said, "Oh heavens, hickory dickory dock." Woo!
You're better at this song than I am.
Well, that was a really hard one.
That is a hard one.
Yeah. All right, and
I'm gonna sing this with you.
okay, we both have a mouse.
Exactly.
Yay, 2 mice. Okay. All right, ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock.
The clock struck noon. He's here too soon. Hickory dickory dock. Should we do that one more time?
Yeah, let's do it one more
Yeah, let's do it
time.
one more time. Okay. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck noon. He's here too soon. Hickory dickory dock.
Woohoo!
Yay!
Yeah. That's
Awesome.
more
Did
your
you-
song.
Huh?
That's more your song.
Yeah.
But that's okay. Sometimes there are songs that you like better than others, right?
Yeah. And that one's a really hard one because it's got a lot of verses.
Yeah, and it's Hickory Dickory Dock.
Yeah, it's kind of a tongue twister in a song.
Yep.
Yeah.
For sure. Well, kids, if you want to learn this song and sing it along with us, why don't you just watch it and we can do it all together as a sing-along. But now you learn it and now you know how it goes.
Yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys stay and sing it along.
Yep.
Yay.
Okay, kids.
All right, have fun.
Have fun. See you next
See
time.
you next time.
Bye.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the duck quacked at the clock. The clock struck 2, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3, a fiddle-dee-dee, hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear slept by the clock. The clock struck 4, he ran out the door, hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the frog hopped round the clock. The clock struck 5, she went on a dive, hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6, so fiddlesticks, hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the cat ran round the clock. The clock struck 7, she wanted to get him, hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the horse jumped over the clock. The clock struck 8, he ate some cake, hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the cow danced on the clock. The clock struck 9, she felt so fine, hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the pig joined at the clock. The clock struck 10, she did it again, hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the hare looked at the clock. The clock struck 11, the hare said, oh heavens, hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck noon, he's here too soon, hickory dickory dock.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!